sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that. Don't tell me that your
Dito sa kanan,
love's
may
gone, that your love's gone,
kasama ba yung queen niya?
that your love.
Doon, nandun na yun, ma'am.
Ah, hindi na yun. Ito na yun.
I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love's gone, that your love's.
This song is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
And the Sleep Disorders Laboratory of Makati Medical Center. Hello, 88. Ibang swerte to. And
Champion Detergent para less time sa labada, more time sa pamilya.
96.3.
Naglipa na ang mga papaya soaps. Napansin niyo ba mga girls? And guys aminin, gusto niyo rin pumuti. Sa dinami-dami ng mga papaya soaps na makikita niyo sa groceries, may isang namumukot tanging white rose papaya mula sa White Rose. Dahil hindi lang papaya extracts ang ingredient nito, meron ding vitamin B3. Nakikita ito sa mga mamahaling serums na kilalang nagpapabilis ng pagpaputi ng balat. Kaya naman ang white rose papaya, clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Papaya puti, papaya fast. Yan ang white rose papaya.
Gold and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun. Sign up now at bet88.ph and get up to 5.50% cashback.
And at Fisher Mall, Quezon Avenue. Join your Easy Rock family as we watch Jack Black and Jason Momoa embark on an epic quest to save the rocky road from the mysterious new threat. There are dark forces who want to destroy this world. If we want to stop them, we're going to need a stand. Packed with action, humor, and all the pixelated fun you can handle, a Minecraft movie is an adventure for the whole family.
This makes no sense.
Don't I know it?
A Minecraft movie on April 2nd, Cinema 3 and 4 of Fisher Mall, Quezon Avenue at 7:30 p.m. Check out the Facebook page of Easy Rock Manila for details and a chance to snag your tickets. Gather your friends, sharpen your diamond swords, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Don't miss a Minecraft movie. This event is brought to you by Pride Detergent. All you need is Pride. Smart dishwashing paste. Heavy duty linis, bawat bayan. Fisher Mall Cinemas. And your #1 radio station at work and on the road. 96.3 Easy.
Diyan na siguro, ma'am, kasi umiiwas na sila.
Dito sa likod, dito sa kanan eh, no?
Oo. Sabi ko na siya sa baka may nalaglag eh.
Nalaglag na.
Oh, tulay na to. Oh.
Ano ba yan?
Dito sila oh. Oh, dito sila minto oh.
Sa kanan siguro.
Oo, ma'am.
Kasi ayun, sa kanan na siya nakaintugay. Tsaka may harang na.
Ayun. Ito ma'am, may tumapon. Mga soft drinks yata na naka-plastic. Ay, muntik lang sampayin oh.
Ha?
Oh, meron nga doon sa baba. Binibidyoan nila ma'am oh. May nalaglag doon. Kaya dinala na nila itong crane. Oh. Grabe.
Sira pa naman yung tulay. Buti hindi naman yata nasira.
Ah, hindi na nasira ma'am. Buti hindi nasira.
Embrace your flaws. I'm not gonna fight back what I've become. Yeah, I got bruises where I came from, but I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I've been going way too hard on myself. Guess that is the reason I've been feeling like hell. But I wouldn't change if I could restart. I ain't gonna hide these beautiful scars. I went down a road that only got me nowhere. I've seen every corner, every inch of this place.
Malapit nang malaglag din yung truck ma'am. No? Nakasampa na rin eh. Sinampa niya yung ganyang kataas oh. traffic pa. Todo traffic na naman yan. Ito yung viaduct, yung pala tulay lang na may ilog.